In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of allowing Facebook access to your camera. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. So, whether you want to capture photos, record videos, or engage in video calls on Facebook, granting camera access is a simple and essential step. Follow the easy steps below to get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your settings. Here's how to do it. Tap the three horizontal lines in the lower right corner of the screen to open the Facebook menu. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right. Scroll down and locate the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to expand the submenu. In the expanded submenu, select Settings. Within the Facebook settings, you'll find various options. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. It's typically located midway down the page. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, locate the Camera option. It's the setting that controls access to your device's camera. Tap on Camera. In the camera settings, you'll see a list of apps and services that request camera access. Find Facebook in the list and toggle it on. This action grants Facebook permission to use your camera. Congratulations! You have successfully given Facebook access to your camera. This will enable you to take photos, record videos, and make video calls within the Facebook app. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.